Now we are going to study about the multiple alleles. The multiple alleles, so typically there are two alleles for a particular gene in diploid organism, but in population, but in a population there are more than, but in a population there are more than two alleles, for a particular gene. This phenomena is, or this condition is called multiple alleles. So typically there are two alleles for a particular gene in diploid organism, but in a population there are more than two alleles for a particular gene. This situation or this condition, is called multiple allele. Suppose we have studied in case of the pea plant, height of the plant. Suppose height of the plant. The height of the plant, two types of the plants are there, two height is there. This is the tall and other dwarf. Tall pea plant and dwarf pea plant. This is a height. One gene that controls the height. So it has the two alleles. One this allele and other is this dwarf. This is the two alleles. These are the two alleles and which controls the height of the plant. So there are these some examples in the nature where there are more than two alleles for a particular gene. So in multiple alleles are the multiple alleles in multiple alleles this condition this condition found in a population not in an individual. This condition found in a population not in an individual. And second is they show codominance. This what they base. It is better. They may show codominance or dominance recessive pattern of inheritance. So in multiple alleles, this condition found in a population not in an individual. And second, they may show codominance oblique dominance recessive pattern of inheritance. So we can explain it by taking the example of ABO blood group. ABO blood group. ABO blood group. Here blood group is controlled by the gene I. Gene I means isohemoglutine. I means isohemoglutine. This is gene. So ABO blood group is controlled by the gene. So this gene has 3 alleles. Gene has 3 alleles. That is the IA, IB and IO. 3 alleles are there. This I gene having the 3 alleles. In relation to blood group, and 3 type of blood groups are there. Blood group A, blood group B and blood group O. 3 type of the blood groups are there. The blood group A genotype IA and the IA and IA and the IO. This is genotype and which causes the blood group of the blood group A. So here in case of the blood group A, suppose in case of the no, so genotype IA and the IA and IA and the IO. This genotype causes the presence of antigen A on the plasma membrane of RBC, and that if antigen A is present on the RBC, that may have the blood group E. So this is the genotype, and this genotype causes the appearance of the antigen A on the plasma membrane of the RBC, and that is the blood group A. And second situation, IA and IB. IB and the IO. In this situation, RBC contain another type of the antigen. RBC contain another type of the antigen on the RBC, so that causes the blood group B. And in the same way, genotype IA and IB, this is responsible for the production of both antigen A and antigen B. Antigen A and antigen B on the RBC. This is antigen B, and that may causes the blood group AB. And in another situation, this genotype IA, IO and the IO. In this situation, RBC having no any type of the antigen, and the blood group of individual will be O. So here genotype IA and the IO, that is responsible for the production of the antigen A on the RBC, and that is the blood group A. In the other situation, IB and IB and the IO, and that results in the production of antigen B on the RBCs, plasma member RBC, that results into the blood group B. Other situation, IA and the IB, genotype IA and B, and that causes the production of both antigen A and antigen B on the plasma membrane, that results into the blood group AB. And if this genotype is there, IO, in this situation there is no antigen, neither A nor B, and this causes the blood group O. So in this way, this is the genotype and this is the phenotype. This is the phenotype and blood group. Blood group here. So here three alleles of this is the gene is there, I gene is there, and this gene has three alleles, IA, IB and the IB3 alleles are there, and these alleles controls the blood group of the individual. Suppose one situation comes, sometimes questions come in our examination. So as sometimes questions come in our examinations as father has blood group, father has the blood group A and mother has the blood group B. What are the possibilities of the blood group of the individuals? So here in case of the blood group blood group A, this one is the A. It have the genotype IA and the IA, other genotype IA and the IO. In the same way, in case of the blood group B, which is mother, and here IB and the IB, and other situation IB and the IO. Two situations may be there. So in case of the father's blood group A and the mother's blood group B, so we can consider here father as in case of the father blood group A, that has genotype IA and the IO. In case of the mother blood group B and genotype IB and the IO. This is situation. So now checkerboard, you can make it checkerboard, and here IA and the IO, another having the IB and the IB. So here IA and the IB and IB, IO and IA and the IO, here IO and the IO. These are the genotype. So here first you see that is the IA and the IB, that will have the blood group A, B. Other situation, this is suppose this is the 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So first you see here, and second IB, IO. So here blood group will be B according to this, and the third you see IA and the IO, and here blood group will be of the A, and fourth you see IO and IO. In this situation there will be blood group O. So in this way, if parents have the blood group A and the B, then offsprings may have all the four type of the blood group. Possibilities may be all the four type of the blood group. There is blood group AB, blood group B, blood group A, and the blood group O. So in this way you can make practice by taking some other examples as the father. This is the genotype here. You can change the genotype if you see the genotype of the father in this way, as the father genotype is the A that having the IA and the IA, and the mother have the genotype B, that is the IB and the IB. In this situation, what will happen? You make here the checkerboard, and in this way you can find that is the IA and the IA, and others having the IB and the IB. In this situation, IA, IA, IA and the IB, IA and the IB, IA and the IB. In this situation, all the progeny will be of the blood group AB. Blood group AB. So in this way, we can say that if the offspring, if the parents having the blood group A and B, then all the four possibilities are there in their the offspring. Thank you. That's part of it.